The following message is transmitted at the request of Adrian Shelby 2050 EAS. This video contains valid EAS tones. Playing this on the air would cause panic and get fined up to $450,000. Adrian Shelby 2050 EAS will not be responsible for any false activations. This video may contain disturbing stuff that might frighten viewers, so viewer discretion is advised. You have been warned. Sit back and enjoy the video.
Everything you promised me, nothing like I thought it'd be. Everything you promised me, nothing like I thought it'd be. Everything you promised me.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Connecticut Department of Health. Instant reports of food contamination were reported at the Burger King restaurant. These burgers include but are not limited to Whoppers, Bacon Cheeseburgers, Impossible King, Triple Whopper, and Triple BK Stacker. In addition, these contaminated burgers have symptoms, including coughing, sore throat, trouble breathing, stomachache, vomiting, and muscle joint. If you believe that you've gotten infected, call the hospital immediately. The CDC will try to find the cure to these contaminated burgers. However, local eyewitnesses have spotted an unknown individual driving a 2018 Toyota Corolla believed to be responsible for the contamination of the burgers. If you spot an individual, dial 911. Remain tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Stanford Police Department and the CDC. An hour ago, food contamination that was reported in Burger King has now been reported in McDonald's. These foods include burgers, French fries, chicken nuggets, and sauces. Eyewitnesses have reported an unknown individual was leaving the McDonald's area, and it is confirmed that this individual was responsible for the contaminated stuff. This individual was described as a white male, 29 years old, 6 feet tall, unknown weight, with dark brown hair, green eyes, wearing a brown shirt, with a black belt, wearing light gray pants, and wearing white shoes. If you see this individual, do not go near him and dial 911. This message will repeat. This is NOAA Weather Radio serving the city of Stanford. Tonight, there will be partly cloudy with a slight chance of snow, lows in 20 degrees, and winds up to 3 miles per hour wind speed. Sunday morning, with a temperature rising to 39 degrees with winds up 2 miles per hour wind gusts. Tomorrow will be sunny with a chance of rain in the afternoon.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of Fairfield, Hartford, and New Haven County Emergency Management. An unknown individual, which is now known as Stephen Archie, Stephen Archie was seen releasing toxic gas that was believed to be responsible for the mass food contamination from few hours ago. Do not go near him as he armed and dangerous, and he will kill anyone on sight. Due to this dangerous situation, a shelter-in-place has been issued for 3 specific counties in the state of Connecticut. Do not leave your home until it is declared safe. Failure to comply would result in certain death. All restaurants is being closed until the situation is resolved. Police and state police will try to deal with this situation. Please remain tuned to this station or another station to provide news and information that we may provide soon.
This is the emergency action termination.